The third product on this list is the BEZGAR HM163. This next unit is larger than the previous products and more suitable for the adult hobbyist, although a young, experienced RC driver would appreciate it just as much. This 4x4 off-road car is designed to be reliable and durable, made of high-quality material, and employs advanced technology. It has an upgraded chassis with a strengthened body frame structure which differs from other ordinary crawler models in the market. The track width increases to 10.23 inches, with larger tires at approximately 2.8 inches wide. The thick rubber tires provide higher traction and a longer lifespan compared to conventional models. Also, it is equipped with a synchro function that allows two trucks to run together side by side continuously, or change direction when one truck stops. This RC car also comes with an IPX5 waterproof rating that will enable you to use it safely in all kinds of outdoor environments. Moreover, there's a rechargeable battery pack and charger, so you can play inside your house or office without worrying about the weather. What's more, the 390 brush motor allows speeds up to 25 miles per hour. This is slower than the previous models on the list, but that's because this unit is more durably built and therefore weighs more. Yet, the motor still offers excellent acceleration and great reliability. Also, thanks to its heavy-duty shock-proof suspension system, this robust vehicle can go over any bump without the risk of breaking down. Finally, we like the large-sized tires to ensure good traction when driving on the road and prevent the car from getting stuck on uneven ground or muddy soil. You can take this RC car anywhere, whether in a wide-open field, down a trail, or over jumps in your backyard. Its pros are, it is water-resistant and splash-proof, it has a protective low-voltage cutoff function, and the build quality of its full suspension system is excellent. However, the batteries take a long time to charge. The BEZGAR HM163 is great for beginners who have never driven before, as well as advanced users. The high-speed driving excitement included in this RC will provide hours of fun for you and your family.